let's hop to it. And we're done. I'm finding it really hard to get the slack taken out with the tool that I have and the techniques that I know on this. So I think I'm gonna try a couple different things. One, I'm gonna try using some ratcheting straps and use that to get the right set for all of the different sides. And then I think I'm gonna use a rope using like a combination trucker's hitch and taut line hitch in order to hook those things together. Unrelated, but I am finding that these Husky straps, it's got this little quick release lever here. It's way easier to use. So that looks pretty excellent. It's a lot squarer than it used to be. Left side, that big tree is a little bit higher than I want, but just by like a smidge. I have decided I'm gonna rotate 90 degrees. I don't think I have enough rope, the ones that are longer distance, to also be the sides that have more loops. Because of that, I'm gonna have to rotate that. And I don't have 8 pieces of rope, I only have 6. So I'm gonna have to start, I've used the 2 extras that I've got. I'm gonna have to start undoing and redoing those pieces, connecting back in at the same time. So I got 3 of the sides hooked up. We're looking pretty good. I'm gonna have to figure out the ends on all of them, but do a quick walkthrough here with where we're at. So we have this lovely tree obscuring our vision here. Got this side all hooked up here. And then this side all hooked up here. We can see it's a little droopy here at the end because we don't have this back side yet. So that's all looking pretty good. Well, we have some cleanup to do, but nothing a little prestidigitation can't take care of. We are very close. It's all tied. Need to even it out a little bit, and then during the couple of moves between building this the first time and actually getting it set up again, some of this stuff is kind of migrated a little closer together. So I need to spread it out a bit. You can see here, if we get real close, it should be nice and flat and smooth, and it's overlapping quite a bit. We got some gaps. So I'll need to spread it all out. I've been going through tightening one side, and I will follow along and tighten the other. I think, I don't know, probably got 2 more hours or so worth of work on this thing. So, you know, probably take me another 3 or 4 years, but yeah. So the main pieces we're missing at this point are a way to get on it. Because it's very easy for me to climb up there, assuming I don't have anything like, I don't know, a beer. But it will be very difficult for anyone else to get on there, say my 2-year-old son. So I think we've got a few things we need to tighten up, and then I think we might need to do a makeshift rope ladder or something for the short term. Here we are with the hammock. You see it's coming along nicely behind me. All right, hopped up here for a little bit of a closer shot. You see this is getting woven pretty nicely through here. Overall, getting really close. And the nice thing about the webbing is it's flat. So when you're lying on it, you don't have like the knots of rope kind of cutting into your skin. It definitely has a pro in that sense, but it has also been a crap load of work. All right, dismount time. Let's not lose any good berries on this one. Beautiful.